Welcome to the Montrose County Event Center. This is the premier venue for your next meeting or conference event on the western slope of Colorado. Our facility is wired with fiber optic internet and high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring your event will be up to speed with today's technology needs. We have multiple breakout rooms for additional sessions beyond your keynote address, and our space is flexible. We aim to adapt it to suit your event. We have a commercial kitchen on site and hold a liquor license, making us a great option for your conference, event, or party. And our team will partner with you every step of the way to ensure your event is successful and impactful. Beyond our facility doors, beautiful Montrose, Colorado is waiting to be explored by your guests and attendees. Head to our historic downtown for a pint, a whiskey, some great live music, even enjoy a stroll and shop our local boutiques. And if you're still keen for an adventure, you'll find no shortage of it here. We've got hiking, biking, fishing, kayaking, jeep trails, and more, all just outside your door. Here at the Montrose County Event Center in beautiful Montrose, Colorado.